Hey yo, what's going on, guys? Arthur Early here. Late Saturday night. What's going on, everybody? Listen, I just wanted to jump on. I'm co- I'm coming to you from an undisclosed location right now because the shit I'm about to say right now is probably gonna get me blackballed from the network marketing MLM internet marketing community. But you know what? It is what it is, and I gotta say what I gotta say. You know. So I'm gonna just get right into it and just say what I gotta say. So listen, here's the deal. What's going on, Suzanne? Listen, last week or maybe 2 weeks ago, I did a quick video saying exactly what needed to be said in regards to this one marketing strategy that I see everybody these days using. That listen, it's effective. It works. Okay, but you'll never, ever, ever see me doing it again. And what is that strategy? For anybody that's on right now, I want you to comment below what you think that strategy is. You see it all over the internet. You see it every single day on the internet. The one strategy that you're seeing that people are using, all right, that they think is an effective marketing strategy. But let me tell you something. At the same time, it is effective. And you know what it is? I'm gonna tell you guys right now what it is. It's flashing that cash. You see people all the time, and I see it from February through April. That's the most times I see it because people going to the bank, taking out their tax return, and flashing the cash, talking about they're making all this money. All right, flashing the cash. Have I done it? Yes. Have probably other marketers done it as well? Probably done it as well. Is it effective? Yes. Does it work? Yes. Does it get people in your downline? Yes. But I'm never gonna use it again, and here's why. It attracts now for all you haters out there that are listening to this maybe live or maybe on the replay, I want you to take your hater hat off, take it off, and I want you to put your marketer hat on. All right? And think about it like this. People who flash the cars, the houses, right? People associate that, and even showing checks. All right, people associate that, psychologically associate that with working. You got to work to get to that level, to get to those things. All right, unless you hit the lottery, right? But if you hit the lottery, you're not trying to recruit people into your opportunity. Let's be straight with that. All right, the one thing, like I said, flashing that cash. Why? Because cash, people flashing cash, people automatically think about it as quick cash. They're going to make money overnight, one, two, three. And that is the wrong way to think about it. Now, I remember one time, I think maybe like a year and a half ago, I went ahead and flashed some cash on screen, and I got a shitload of people in my downline. But you know what? I had maybe, I'm going to say 80% chargeback from the people who came to my downline. Why? Because you're attracting the wrong people into your business. If you want to have a business that's effective and you want to grow your business with people that are like-minded and want to do the same exact things that you do, you don't want to attract those kind of people because those people are broke. That's broke. That's broke-minded thinking. That fast cash mentality. That's not the way to think about it, and that's what these people are doing. And don't get me wrong, guys. The people out there that are doing it, it's not your fault. You don't know any better. You weren't taught how to effectively market. Okay? You weren't taught how to effectively market. But listen, if you have an opportunity that you're in, or whatever the case is, and you want to learn how to effectively market your product and get the right people into your opportunity, come talk to me. Hit me in the DM. I'll show you. I'll take you step by step, and I will show you how to effectively market to get the right people into your downline to make real money and not have this high chargeback rate. Okay, because flashing that cash it'll get you a load. It'll get you a load of people in your downline, but it's not going to get you the results that you're looking for. All right. So listen, for you marketers that are out there that are doing this, it's not the right way to do it. It's not the right way. It's not the right way to market. Flashing that cash is only going to bring you broke people. That's it. That's it. More info. Give me more info. I want to try it out. And that's another thing. That's another thing that I want to talk about. Okay, I read the other day. I was going through the forums or whatever, and I saw this one post. It said, "Make $1,000 by tomorrow. Join my opportunity to make $1,000 by tomorrow." All right, could it be done? Probably. It's possible, but any halfway decent marketer out there knows that you have to have your systems in place, and that's going to take more than a day. You got to have your funnel set up right. You got to have your autoresponder set up right. You got to have your ad roll set up right. You know what I'm saying? You got to talk to your providers. You got to have that set up right. Um, these little things that I'm telling you guys about right now, this is what separates somebody that's saying getting into my opportunity to make $1,000 from the real marketer that's going to go ahead and bring the right people into the downline, and that's going to make real money. That's the difference right there, guys. All right, so listen, if you're one of those people that got into an opportunity, and this is what happens. This is what happens. This is really what happens. I'm gonna tell you right now. People getting into an opportunity, right? They get into an opportunity because somebody said you're gonna make $1,000 by tomorrow, right? Then they're dropped on their head. They have absolutely no idea what they're doing. Okay, they join opportunity. They have no idea what they're doing. They don't know how to effectively market. And then what's gonna happen? They're gonna say, "I didn't make any money, and it's a scam." That's what's gonna happen. And that's how this industry gets a bad reputation because of bad marketers. If you're a halfway decent marketer, you know you have to have your systems in place. All right, you got to have your autoresponder. I use SendLane. You have GetResponse. You have Aweber. You have a whole bunch of out there. You got to have your funnel set up. And you got to test. You got to get if you guys out there use some people use display media, some people use solo ads, some people do this, some people do that. But if you use, let's say you're using solo ads, you got to get with your solo ad provider, see if the opportunity is right for their list, see who's on that list, and then take it from there. It's gonna take more than a day to get your shit right. So for all you you bootleg ass marketers out there right now, here's the deal. Join my team. I'm gonna show you how to effectively market. Right? I'm going to give you the tools that you need in order to effectively market for the long term, right? If you want to make some quick cash and be in and out, you could probably do that. Any bootleg ass marketer, you could probably do that. But if you wanna really really drop that 9 to 5 and get that real laptop lifestyle, you need to know how to effectively market long term. And there's certain things you need to do in a certain way in order to get there. All right, so listen, here's the deal. Hit me up, and if anybody's watching this, and if this resonates with anybody out there, I want you to go ahead and share this video, like this video, and comment, real marketer. All right, how's that sound? Comment real marketer. Because right now, like I said, I've been in this industry maybe a year and a half, somewhere around there. Have I made $1 million? No, I haven't made $1 million yet, and I've never ever claimed that I've made $1 million or anything, like that. Have I made money? 100%. Is it real? 100%. Okay, guys, it's real money. It's provided me with extra income that otherwise I wouldn't have had, on top of my regular job that I do really good at. But it is what it is. I mean, so listen, if you've just joined an opportunity, any opportunity, I don't care what it is, whether it be lotions, potions, weight loss, biz op. Honestly, I don't care what it is, but you've been doing it over and over and over and over and again, and you haven't made any money, or you're hitting your head against the wall, and you're seeing other people make money. Listen, hit me up. I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna show you exactly how simple it is. Okay? How simple it is. I didn't say how easy it was. I said how simple. You see, there's a difference between how easy something is and how simple something is. If you could understand tactics, okay, easy, simple tactics, then you can market effectively. But if you just want to throw a link at somebody and hit somebody up and say, listen, here's my link, join this, join that, it's never going to work out full time. It's never going to work out. You're going to go ahead and say, I never made any money in this opportunity. It's probably a scam. Somebody's probably trying to get my money. And then the next person that's probably going to thinking about making money online, they're going to go ahead and say, you know what? I heard this was a scam. I'm not doing it. I'm out. I'm not going to have this. So listen, this is real. I can't really stress any more than I already have how real this opportunity is, or any opportunity is out there. But you have to know how to market it. You have to know how to get people into your opportunity to effectively get a nice downline. And if you don't understand what I'm talking about right now, that's cool. That's cool too, because I'll teach you exactly how to go ahead and do that. All right. So listen. For anybody who's watching, I don't really want to expose the industry like that, but you gotta stop. You gotta stop with the I'm gonna make $1,000 by tomorrow, $2,000, $3,000. You gotta stop with that. You gotta stop flashing that cash, and learn how to effectively market. It is what it is. All right, guys, listen. So if you want to learn how, hit me up. I'm right here. I ain't going nowhere. I'm just going all the way to the top. All right, guys. So listen, I'll holler at you later. But like I said, before I go, if this resonates with you, if you got any value out of this, and I don't even really care about value. If this makes sense to you, right? I want you to like, comment, and share this video. Otherwise, you have a great Saturday night. To all you mothers out there, have a wonderful Mother's Day, and enjoy your family. I'll holler at you later. Peace.